An excessive heat warning and a heat advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Temperature is 99 degrees under partly cloudy skies. For today, under partly cloudy skies, 99 degrees, winds south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. For tonight, thunderstorms early, low 72, winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour, chance of rain 70%. On Tuesday, scattered clouds with the possibility of an isolated thunderstorm developing during the afternoon, hot and humid, high 98. 7-day outlook.
Your current conditions.
At 4:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Butler to Gibsonia to Weirton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, law enforcement and the public are reporting widespread wind damage across the warned area. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Trees snapped and uprooted. Power outages can be expected. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Cranberry, Moon Township, Weirton, Butler, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Vandergrift, Katanning, Shaler Township, Plum, Northside Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, and Hampton Township. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across the warned area. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. This is no